function. So this is so very simple. So let's discuss math. In mathematics, the limit of the function describes the value that a function approaches as the input of variable gets closer and closer to certain number. It does not always mean the function actually reaches the value, but rather why is it approaching? Think of this. If you're walking towards the door, the closer you get. So that's one thing. And the more your position approaches to the door's locations, even before you touch it. So first, we need to write the limit in this form. So like this. Okay, so limit of a function is x is approaches to a, and f to x is equal to l. This means as x approaches to a, the function of x approaches to the value of l. Right, so let's try as example simple polynomial. Okay, so write limit of x approaches to 2 and x squared plus 3. Then the solution of this problem is this. Need to write solution. So let's substitute. So x is equals to 2. Then we're gonna write this. So the x there, so if the equivalent of x is 2, so 2 to the power of 2 plus 3, then equals, so 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4, then plus 3, so equals 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Then so the limit of x approaches to 2 is x squared plus 3 is equals to 7. So this is the final answer. Simple as that. Okay, so let's try example number 2. A function with a hole. So we need to write the equation first. So f to x then equal to x squared minus 1 over x minus 1. So notice, if x is equals to 1, the denominator becomes 0. So the function is underlined at x, so equals to 1. But the limit can still exist. So we need to write, so the limit of a function x approaches to 1. So we need to write to this in here. So x squared minus 1 over x minus 1. So let's factor the numerator. So factor numerator. So x minus x. So close parenthesis and x plus 1 all over x minus 1. So we can see that there's a factor numerator. So we were gonna cancel the x minus 1. So let's cancel the x minus 1. So let's cancel x. So the remaining one is the x plus 1. So for x can into 1. So now let's substitute the x equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So the limit of x approaches to 1 on x squared minus 1 all over x minus 1 is equals to 2. So this is the final answer. So it is very clearly that simple as that we can know what is also the limit. So thank you for listening, and this is my tutorial. So thank you. So this is my video tutorial. So thank you for listening, and I hope you have learned to solve the limit of fraction. Thank you.